Hi everyone, this is Idea Mela. So in this competition, I would show you an interesting challenge. It's known as Paint the Spirit of CRPF Innovation Challenge. So as part of CRPF's 88 year celebration, the Central Reserve Police Force, in collaboration with MyGov, is inviting citizens across India to participate in Colors of Change Paint the Spirit of CRPF competition. So this painting competition offers unique opportunity to celebrate the remarkable journey, unwavering dedication, and enduring legacy of CRPF through power of art. Participants are encouraged to use their creativity and imagination to capture the value of service, loyalty, courage, sacrifice, unity, and nation building that defines CRPF and its contribution to the nation. So the last date for application is 27th July 2026. So there is time if you are seeing this on 1st July. So you cannot use AI tools for submission. All entries must be participants' original work and reflect their own creativity, effort, and expression. Okay, so that is something which you need to note. Any submission that is found to using wholly or partially AI generated, AI assisted to a significant extent, manipulated using generative AI tools, or infringing upon originality requirements will be disqualified. So the prices they offer here are 30,000 rupees for the first prize, second prize is 20,000 rupees, third prize is 15,000 rupees, and they are giving 37 winners 5,000 rupees each. So there are higher chances for you to win. So they have painting competition in different themes: CRPF from courage to compassion, CRPF towards a Naxal Mukt Bharat, CRPF my pride, my protector, role of CRPF in free, fair, and peaceful election, CRPF in service of the nation. Okay, so you can go ahead and submit it. So I can see some people have already submitted and one got approved here. So you can go ahead and submit it. So if you like this video, please do leave a like. And if you want such interesting opportunity from around the globe, and if you don't want to miss those opportunity, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's known as Idea Mela. It's fairly new, but we will strive to bring interesting opportunities for you from around the world so that you stay updated and win some great prizes. Thank you very much.